Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up payments on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first off, let's go ahead over to the left panel and click on Settings. And then in here, you'll be able to see Payments. Alright, so just go ahead and click on Payments. If it's loaded, once it loads, you can go ahead and choose a provider right here. And basically, you have 3 options. Option A is to activate the Shopify payments, which is highly recommended. You can go ahead and click on choose a provider. Then go ahead and select from one of these providers. For example, we have CyberSource. CyberSource includes Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB, Diners Club, UnionPay, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Now, if you want this option, you just go ahead and click on it. And if you want to create a CyberSource account, you got to click on Contact Provider right here and have a chat with the CyberSource support. Once that's done, you can just basically click on Install right here, whether you have or you don't have an account. Okay, if you just want to test it out. This app needs access to store owner, install, wait a bit, and then just log in. Make sure that you contact the provider right here to make your credentials. Now let's go back to payments. You can set up or manually set up payments. You can go ahead and scroll down, add additional payment providers right here. For example, we have here PayPal. You can just click on it and follow simple prompts, okay? Complete the setup. After once done, you should be good to go. Go back to payments. And if you want to add in some more, just add in a provider. For example, you are from the Philippines. We have here, I think, Gcash. Yep, Gcash is available. You can click on it and select the provider. For example, which got the best transaction fees right here. So everything has the same transaction fee. But if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and select the most that got other cards. For example, this one. So go ahead and click on it. Here we have payment wall. Again, install it and set it up. Going back, you can scroll all the way down. Here you have the payment capture method. You can click on it. Should it be automatically captured at checkout or manually? Manual payment methods, add in maybe some bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. All right, you can add in some details and payment instructions, and then just activate cash on delivery. As you can see, now when someone orders, they can choose to use the method cash on delivery. Let's go back to payments and scroll all the way down. You can set up Apple Wallet passes right here, as well as gift card expirations and payment method customizations. Okay, you can explore some apps right here, just like Shopify checkout blocks, ACOD cash on delivery COD fee, something like that. All right, and once that's done, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to set up payments on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.